Are you worried about having enough money to retire comfortably? Or wondering how to stretch your savings without sacrificing your lifestyle? You're not alone. This is how you can make sure that you will be living your best life without relying on a government pension. Let's start with the most obvious and most overlooked move: free money. Sounds like a dream, right? If you're working, are you maxing out your employer's 401k match or superannuation contributions? Every dollar they put in is an instant 100% return on your money. This is some of the best returns you can ever see for your money. Even if retirement feels far off, maxing out those contributions or matches now can mean thousands or tens of thousands more in retirement. Next up, fees are the silent killer of your retirement fund. You could be losing thousands every year to hidden investment or management fees. Here's what to do. Check your investment account statements. Look to see how much you are being charged. Use comparison tools or websites to check this against other options. And if your fees are high, consider switching to low-cost index funds or ETFs. The lower your fees, the more of your money stays working for you. Here's a powerful trick that too few people talk about. Delay your government retirement benefits if you can afford to. In the US, every year you delay Social Security past age 62 adds roughly 8% to your annual benefit, up to age 70. If you are in Australia, delaying accessing your super and pension could mean more tax-free growth. It's like giving yourself a guaranteed raise just by waiting. Even though retirement might seem like a distant future plan, you need to be making moves today to set yourself up. One of those moves is, don't rely on just one source of income. Diversify. But how can you diversify your income? Here are 3 options: dividend-paying stocks or ETFs, rental income from property, or a small side hustle or freelance gig. Even just $500 a month from side income can cover travel, hobbies, or health expenses without touching your main nest egg. The habits you set up today will power your retirement tomorrow. Retirement isn't just about saving, it's about smart spending and investing. Ask yourself, what does your ideal retirement look like? Where can you live well for less? Are you open to downsizing or relocating? A modest move from a major city to a regional area could slash your living costs by half and double your peace of mind. By getting answers to these questions today, you can plan for what your retirement will look like. Your retirement isn't a finish line. If you have followed these steps, it's the start of your next chapter. With smart moves today, you can buy freedom, flexibility, and a future you love. Having a plan for your retirement is only one step to achieving your financial goals. If you want to know how to make your start-to-finish plan, check out this video here. If you are watching this video shortly after it was released, your next video will be ready in 3 days.